Hello teachers! Exam ready na po ba ang ating CARS KCS 991 calculator? To check, let us take the diagnostic test of our calculator. Yes po, diagnostic test. So, let us start by pressing on button. Then, sabay-sabay po nating pipindutin ang Shift 7 at on. Lalabas po ang diagnostic at agad-agad ay i-press na po natin ang 9. Then, ito po ang lalabas sa ating screen. Press po natin ang Shift continuously hanggang sa lumabas po ang text na ito. Then, press AC, so contrast. We can adjust. If we want it lighter, kindly press the left arrow. But if you want it darker, kindly press the right arrow. And once we're done, kindly press AC. Then, lalabas po ang 00 sa ating screen. Ibig sabihin, we are now ready to check kung gumagana po ba lahat ng buttons ng ating calculator. Yes po, so this is the purpose kung bakit po tayo magkakaroon ng diagnostic test to check if all buttons are working as well as the screen. Just to share, meron po itong pattern. Every key ay merong code at dapat increasing po ang ating number. Therefore, kindly follow kung ano po ang pinipress natin para hindi po tayo mag-worry or mag-panic na sira ang ating calculator. Let's start by pressing Shift, which is 01. So, ano pang susunod sa 01? 02. Si alpha po yun. So, Shift alpha, arrow up, arrow right, then mode. And we're done. 01 up to 05. Please do note na hindi po kasama si on. So, kay calc na po tayo. Calc, integral, arrow left, arrow down, inverse, and logarithm. And start po dito sa ating fraction ay left to right direction na po tayo. Yes po, left to right direction hanggang makarating po sa ating equal sign. So, fraction, square root, ayan. Mapapansin po natin, increasing po ang numbers sa ating screen. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, okay ang ating keys. So, what if 5 yung last natin? Ang gusto ko bigla ay division. So, ayan, na-stuck po tayo kay 5. Kahit sunod-sunod pa po natin yan pindutin, hindi po siya gagalaw. Kasi ang dapat po, ang susunod ay 37 yung code, which is number 6. So, ayan. So, ayan po yung kahalagahan kung bakit kailangang sundan ang ating pinipress. And, test okay, calculator is exam ready. Goods po ang ating keys or buttons as well as the screen. So, I do hope that all our calculator are exam ready. Just in case na meron pong problema, please don't hesitate to message CARS Calculators Philippines Facebook page. So this is all about diagnostic test of our CARS KCS 991 calculator. Thank you so much. Kindly share so we can help more self-review math majors. God bless po sa exam.